Digital transformation is happening everywhere. As we know, in healthcare, the use of multi-cloud is becoming normal. Restaurants lets you pay with your watch. Even in fact, an oil pump, a wastewater, or any OT system are incorporating digital innovations. And they all rely on internet. This is where SD-WAN has become critical in connecting these locations, providing better user experience with security in mind. But it comes with a limitation for some enterprise organization. Internet service providers can go down, or cable and DSL connections may be unavailable where you need it. That's where cellular comes in. The FortiExtender is a 5G or LTE cellular gateway that provides multi-gigabit wireless WAN links to extend, ensure, and secure the enterprise network anywhere. Layering cellular on top of cable or DSL, along with features like out-of-band management, can increase branch reliability up to 5x. This allows the businesses to continue its digital operations even in the event of a disaster. Cellular is more widely available than cable or DSL. That means enterprises can connect their branches anywhere. Fortinet offers several new models with 5G and dual modem capabilities. In fact, we separate the cellular modem from the edge platform via Power over Ethernet. This lets you deploy the modem in the best position for optimal signal and then transmit the information over the highest quality cabling. As a result, FortiExtender enables a much wider and a more reliable digital innovations required for your digital services. Fortinet offers a simple, integrated and a secure 5G LTE solution. The FortiExtender is fully integrated in the Fortinet Secure SD-WAN to enable security-driven networking as part of our platform approach. Manage the device in FortiManager, in FortiGate, or even in FortiExtender Cloud. It is that simple.